Amazon recently rolled out in the States and in Canada the account health rating, which is a score. They're going to be rolling this out across the EU and other marketplaces in the coming months. If they haven't already, they might have started to slow roll it out there. So what this rating does, it's a scale from 0 to 1,000. And if you're at 200 or better, it says your account is healthy. Now, first of all, I have to say that's a really weird scale, that it goes to 1,000, but 200 is healthy. Well, the reason for that is volume. So if you're a high volume seller, you might be able to get up to that 1,000 mark. If you're a low volume seller, you're never going to get there. You might be very healthy at 200, 300, or 400. But what is misleading here is that they use this color-coded system. And so it is red, yellow, or green. And green just says healthy. And then people think, oh, well, I'm great. It doesn't matter if there are policy violations or ASINs that have problems that they've made me aware of. If I'm green, I'm good to go. Well, that is not really the case. We have several sellers who come to us who are in the green, that Amazon has reached out to them and said, you have 72 hours to solve some of these ASIN problems. And if you don't, your account will be suspended. So just being in the green does not mean you can sit back and relax.
Hey, it's Riya Mittal here. Before you leave, make sure to subscribe to Seller App's main YouTube channel where we upload all things Amazon and some how-to guides that will make sure that you're winning on Amazon. You will not get this anywhere else. Until the next time, happy selling.